Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to sign out from Google Maps. This is a simple but essential task, especially if you're using a shared computer or simply want to switch accounts. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to google.com/maps. Once you type that in and hit enter, the Google Maps homepage will load up. This is the main interface where you can search for locations, get directions, and explore various places around the world. Now that you're on the Google Maps page, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. Here you'll see your profile icon. This circular icon typically displays your profile picture if you've set one up, or it might show the first letter of your name. It's positioned right next to the search bar and other navigation tools. Go ahead and click on this profile icon. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu gives you access to various account-related options and settings. You'll see information about your current account along with several menu items. Look through these options until you spot the one labeled Sign Out. It's usually positioned towards the bottom of this drop-down menu, making it easy to locate among the other choices. Click on Sign Out and Google Maps will immediately log you out of your account. The page will refresh and you'll no longer be signed in. This means any personalized features, saved locations, or account-specific settings will no longer be accessible until you sign back in. If you're on a shared device, this step ensures your account information remains private and secure. And that's it. You've successfully signed out of Google Maps. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few clicks, but it's important for maintaining your account security, especially when using public or shared computers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.